what is your pain point of being an actor right now? Think about it and tell me. I can mention a few. To be papped when you're not ready, being the most superficial one, okay? To maybe you're not having a good day, but you have to be nice to people. The expectation of people around you to always be nice, perhaps. एक किरदार में बंध जाना, जहाँ पर they will expect you to be a character and not a person, or anything else. I don't know. I'm throwing it around.
I think for me, the uncertainty of becoming an actor, I think like at one moment
You're like, आज मैं actor
आज मैं actor हूँ और आज बहुत attention मिल रहा है, आज बहुत काम करने को मिल रहा है, and then there's suddenly silence for 6 months, and the anxiety of like I know that like my show we just released, there's so much attention that I'm getting, but I don't have a next project locked at the moment. And you have no idea how much I'm freaking out. There are people who are saying, you should take a break, wait for it, it's going to be fine, work on yourself, work out and all of that is great. I agree with it. But what about the anxiety? Because there's so much competition. Being an actor, there's just constant competition and you're constantly, because if there are so many people running the same race. I have such competitors, such brilliant actors, beautiful looking girls who are giving the same audition, and you will not be able to crack it. You don't know. Like, I have given so many auditions and so many rejections at the same time. So the uncertainty, the anxiety of locking the next project, not getting attention, like getting so much attention all of a sudden, and then there's dead silence for the next 1 month or 2 months or 3 months. I think that is, you have to be extremely lucky. The luck factor that every actor has to have is just, I think for me, other than that, everything else, because we love our job, we are passionate about it, everything comes along with it. I love being papped. I love the attention. Because it comes, you want to become an actor, fame comes along with it. All these attention and everything comes along with it. So I love it. I love the fact that I can't have a meal peacefully when I'm in a restaurant. I have like 5 people come to me, ask for selfies. I'm more than happy. I get so excited when someone comes and asks me for a picture or comes and just appreciates my work. All of that is not pain for me. But the fact that I go jobless beach mein, I know that I will crack something. I know that this is going to happen. But when that's not happening, that anxiety of like, ki ab kya hoga? Like just one day of, I am somebody who overthinks so much. I live in fear of like something not working out. So like one day of not working, I have issues. So yeah, I think that is the...
I don't know if it'll work out, but I recommend a day job. And then you're also an actor. I don't know, man, but I feel you. And can I please say thank you? Because everyone perhaps feels this, but no one's ever said this to me so honestly. So can I please applaud your honesty? Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, I just want to second everything she said, like, and you said it so vulnerably because came from, like you said, such a place of an honest place, because that is like when you decide to become an actor, you're like, okay, I'm going to accept everything that comes with it. But for example, there's nobody else who's an actor back home, right? My brother does a job which is quantifiable. He does well, he works hard, he'll get a promotion and he'll keep going up the ladder, and the what do you call it, your salary increment and family planning and all of that happens. But in our field, it's like you said, one day you're like somewhere, and then it's not necessary that the next one will, hopefully you want it to beat, I mean, you want to keep getting better, but it's not necessary, you know, and though you're putting in as much hard work. So I think that math somewhere can be a little scary, and the uncertainty of, you know, where this will take you. But I think you have to be really just crazy to be a part of this industry.
Yeah.
And I think all of us are. We love what we do and that's what keeps you going. But yeah, I mean, so that's why I can't call it a pain point, but it is a point of, like you said,
concern
and anxiety.
It's a truth.
You know, it's like, okay, I need to plan ahead. Like, what about a year from now, or 2 years from now, or 5 years from now? So these kind of questions can be a little tricky. Yeah.
ये नहीं होता भाई. ये financial planning or actors.
Financial planning, just you know, where you don't know
you're saying
work,
like, okay,
everything,
work-wise.
you know, just like a
5-year plan.
Yeah, like a grand scheme of things. That will this lead to something else, hopefully, or whatever. You know, you can't. You don't. There's no way to figure that out for anybody. I don't think there's anybody who can say ki हाँ ये sorted है.
Yeah, I just want to add, like, also
No, don't be
staying an
sorry.
actor, staying an actor, you need to be very relevant. Like today, like I said before, like you can be very successful and you can get a lot of attention, but that's not. You have to be an Amitabh Bachchan for like you to be relevant for so many years. But there are so many actors and there's so many like influencers, content creators, not just actors that are not relevant few years later. So the struggle of staying relevant, doing different things, I think that is also quite
Truth
a
bombs
task.
are being dropped. Ehsas is just speaking for everybody right
And I
now.
also hate getting ready on holidays because you need content. I hate that.
Oh,
I'm
nice.
like, I look like.
We're getting real, guys. I love this.
I just had to
love
add
this.
that in. You give.
I hate getting ready on holidays. कोई मुझे बोले कि ये बहुत ही खूबसूरत विला है, आइए लेकिन कंटेंट बनाइए. I feel you, Ben.
Yeah, I mean,
बहन,
general
I
also,
feel
yeah.
you. What do you feel from this? आपको किसी ने बोला तैयार होना वेकेशन पे?
हाँ, पर मैं तैयार भी वैसे ही होता हूँ जितना मुझे समझता है. I don't take that pressure at all. I just don't take that pressure.
તમારું શું છે પેન પોઈન્ટ? શું ગમતું નથી તમને?
Actually, this is one of the pain point on which I am working. कि every time कोई भी छोटा मोटा इवेंट भी हो, कहीं पर भी जाने के लिए वो सोच के कपड़े पहनना सालों तक किया नहीं है. मतलब वो लाइन में जो टी शर्ट्स और जीन्स हैं उसमें से एक एक लिया, पहन के निकल लिया, उतना ही था. तो वो हर बार वो हेयर और मेकअप थोड़ा मुझे लगता है कि इट्स गुड, बट हाँ मतलब नॉट एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ माई पर्सनल टाइम एंड पर्सनल पीस टाइम. कि ऐसा कभी नॉर्मल भी रह सकता है. बिकॉज मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इफ़ आई बी लिटिल कलरलेस आई कैन ऐड मोर कलर टू द कैरेक्टर्स दैट आई क्रिएट. मैं हर बार कैरेक्टर बन के कैसे घूमूंगा यार?
क्या बात है?
मतलब वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा लोड लगता है.
He's amazing. He just said he's playing Pratik Gandhi right now.
हाँ मुझे लगता है दैट लेट्स बी नॉर्मल ऐसा. पर ये नहीं यार, मैं घर पे ऐसा नहीं होता हूँ.
Thank you for being so honest.